To protect and encourage sustainable agriculture, mangrove conservation, and plantation of trees, government has come out with Green Credit. Could you please explain Green Credit Program Implementation Rule 2023?
8 sectors are there जहां पे maximum intervention is required to mitigate climate changes. And these 8 sectors will be the largest market for carbon credits in India and world over. तो सबसे बड़े सेक्टर्स जो हैं कार्बन मार्केट के, उनको आप 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हो. एक में 4 और दूसरे में भी 4. सो एनर्जी एंड केमिकल्स, एंड विच इज मोर ऑफ अ कंप्लायंस मार्केट. वहां पे आता है रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी एंड फ्यूल स्विचिंग. थर्ड इज केमिकल प्रोसेस एंड इंडस्ट्रियल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ये 4 सेक्टर एक तरह से कंप्लायंस मार्केट बनाते हैं. And compliance market comprises of mainly energy and chemical sector. लेकिन there is a दूसरा market also, which is voluntary market as of now. And voluntary market is with respect to life. The government of India calls it lifestyle for environment. And in this market, we see waste disposal, forestry and land use, household community devices, and agriculture. So carbon credits are focusing on energy and chemicals. So carbon credits are focusing on renewable energy, energy efficiency and fuel switching, chemical process and industrial manufacturing, transportation. लेकिन ये जो voluntary market है, जो lifestyle for environment से related है, या जो उसमें कैसे आगे बढ़े. So for example, अगर forestry में आगे बढ़ना है, forestry and land use में आपको environmentally sustainable practices include करनी है, waste disposal में आपको करना है, या agriculture में करना है, या household and community devices में करना है, उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ने रिलीज करा है एक रूल्स, which rules are called Green Credit Program Implementation Rules 2023. So Ministry of Environment and Climate Change under the Environmental Protection Act 1986 has released the rule which is called Green Credit Program Implementation Rules 2023. As of now, it is a voluntary market, but it is an important voluntary market. And 8 areas have been identified जो वो voluntary market में cover होंगे. First area is tree plantation. So everybody who is doing tree plantation, he can get green credit also. Secondly, water based. So water conservation कर रहा है कोई तो green credit मिल सकता है. Sustainable agriculture, if somebody is doing, then also green credit he can get. Waste management में he is helping, then he or she can get green credit. Air pollution reduction, if it is happening because of whatever activity a person is doing, he can get green credit. Mangrove conservation and restoration के काम कर रहा है कोई, तब भी green credit मिल सकते हैं. Eco mark use कर रहा है कोई तो he can get green credit. Sustainable building and infrastructure में if somebody is working, then he can get green credit. So 8 areas as a pilot project initially has been identified for green credit. Green credit में एक steering committee बनाई जाएगी. Steering committee के जो chairperson होंगे वो Secretary Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change होंगे. And there will be administrator also. Administrator of green credit will be Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education. Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education under the guidance of the steering committee. So steering committee will be a policy making body for green credit headed by a chairperson who is the Secretary of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. And administrator, day-to-day operations of green credit will be done by Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education. So administrator in consultation with steering committee will create 3 institutions. First institution is Green Credit Registry. So this registry, the structure of registry will be developed in consultation of steering committee for green credit and administrator, that is Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education. It will also develop, secondly, trading platform. How these green credit can be traded. It will also be identified कि carbon credit से किस तरह से exchange हो सकता है green credit. Third, accredited green credit verifiers will be also registered. The scheme will be made by administrator and steering committee कि green credit verifier or verification agencies, how they will register. So the rules have been released under Environment Protection Act 1986, and within few months we will see details coming out with respect to green credit market in India. So green credit market are very important in India because we want to become a sustainable economy, and life is the target of the government, that is lifestyle for environment.
Definitely, sir. Thank you for your valuable time and information.